Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM. In our last few videos, we talked about the average cost of a driving lesson and the fees in terms of the theory test, provisional driving test. Here we are, £23, driving test is 62. And we talked about the average prices of a driving lesson per hour and bulk booking. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how many lessons do you need? What is the average amount of lessons a student may need? And so you're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor. That way, at least you'll have some idea so that your instructor might not take you for a mug. You might be slightly naive going to your driving lessons. At least you'll have some idea when you're going to your driving lessons. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School. The next part of your expenditure and the bulk part of it is your driving lessons. How many driving lessons do you guys need? Now, there isn't no minimum amount of lessons that you need. It depends on you entirely how quickly you learn. Do watch our other videos where we go through what you should be learning in your driving lessons, and that way it will give you an indication if your driving instructor is trying to delay your progress and trying to scam out quite a lot of lessons out of you. But we're going to go through the average amount of lessons that a student might need. So if you look at online, if you just Google it, you'll see most sites say the average is about 47 lessons. Now before you close this video, don't get scared. Let's pause it and let me just show you exactly why it takes about 47 lessons online. That's what it's saying. So I'm just scrolling down RAC's website and you'll see driving lesson costs. It's saying an average person needs around 45 lessons. And then it's saying of driving lessons and a further 22 hours of practice before they are ready for a practical test. So they're actually saying you need about 67 if my maths is correct. So that's RAC. Let's go to this site here. Okay, how many lessons do I need? The DVSA, so this is the official governing body, has calculated that the average learner who passed the test took about 47 hours of lesson, with an additional 22 hours of private practice. So again, they're saying 47 plus 22, which is what? 69 hours on average. That's what DVSA, the official governing body, is saying. And if you look at this side here, 22nd of December 2020, and look, if I scroll down, it says how many lessons will I need to pass my test? Along with the £24 an hour average figure, it's saying here, DVSA, again, they're saying driver receives about 47 hours of professional tuition prior to taking the practical test, backed up by a further 22 hours of private practice. So again, they're saying 47 isn't enough, you need about 69 here. So that's the average online is saying by DVSA, by different sites, but all of them kind of agree that DVSA says it's about 47 hours. Okay guys, so it's really important to understand that no, you might not need 47 hours. You might need less than. I've had students pass within 20 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours. I've had students who pass in 50 hours, 60 hours. Everybody learns at a different pace. I'm sure if you guys have been through the education system, you've noticed some students are good at math, some students are good at English. So everybody has their own strengths and own weaknesses. And yes, someone might learn at a quicker pace than you, or even at a slower pace. But don't be demoralized by that. It's just their journey. Some students, for example, they take a lot of private practice with their family members. They might do 50 hours with their parents, for example, and then come to me for 2 hours, and that's it, and they've gone on to pass a driving test. So it completely depends on the resources that are available for yourself. But you can always check out videos at FM Driving School. Look, we've made tons of videos, so this way you'll save a lot of money, because you're a few steps ahead in your driving lessons. You'll understand what I'm about to teach you, what your instructors are about to teach you. So go through our videos, and that way you'll save a lot more lessons, and you won't have to take as many lessons because you'll be a few steps ahead. Don't forget guys, like, share, and comment below. Let me know how many lessons you guys have taken in your driving lessons, if you've done your driving lessons, or how many lessons you think you can pass in. Let me know, comment below. Thank you for watching.